Hello dear students, in this session we will study gating system. The schematic diagram is shown. In this system, the molten metal is poured in the pouring basin. Through the sprue, it enters the sprue base valve, which changes the direction to the runner, and finally from the gate it enters the cavity, where it starts solidifying. During the solidification, it starts shrinking and the required metal is fed through the riser. Let's start understanding one by one all components. First one is pouring basin, a small funnel-shaped cavity at the top of the mold into which the molten metal is poured is called pouring basin. Second is the sprue. It is the passage through which the molten metal through the pouring basin reaches the mold cavity. Third is the strainer. It is used to remove foreign particles like debris, lumps, etc. from the molten metal. Fourth is the sprue base valve. It changes the direction of flow of the molten metal to right angle and passes it to the runner. Fifth is splash core. It is a ceramic material, a ceramic splash core placed at the end of the sprue to reduce the eroding force of the liquid metal stream. From the figure we can see the sprue passage is reducing downward. Means area is reducing downward. It means from the continuity equation we can conclude the velocity at the bottom will be high. That can erode the cavity. So to reduce this eroding force we use this splash core. Sixth is runner. It is a channel through which the molten metal is carried from the sprue to the gate. Seventh is skimbob. It is used to prevent heavier and lighter impurities to reach the mold cavity. The heavier impurities will be settled down in the bottom part and the lighter impurities will be float in the upper part. Eighth is gate. It is a channel through which the molten metal enters the mold cavity. If the gate is placed at the top of the cavity, it is called top gate. If it is placed at the bottom of the cavity, it is called bottom gate. As in our case, it is shown, it is called parting gate. Ninth is riser. It is a column of molten metal placed in the mold to feed the casting as it shrinks and solidifies. If it is placed at the top of the casting, it is called top riser, and if it is placed at the side of the cavity, it is called side riser.